Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Midea air conditioner is not turning on or not working, it can be due to power issues, remote problems or system faults. So in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can fix it very easily. So first of all, you need to focus on the power source. Just make sure that your AC is properly plugged in and the socket is also working. Check your circuit breaker or the fuse as well. If there is no power, the unit won't turn on. After doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply check your remote control, replace the batteries, and you can try turning the AC on again. You can then press the manual power button on the unit to rule out the remote issues. Now, even after doing both of these steps, the issue still persists in your case. Now, you need to simply just reset your air conditioner. For that, you need to unplug the AC from the power. Then you just have to do nothing but to just wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in and try again. This is going to help clear the temporary system errors as well. Now, if there is no response, you can check if the display lights up or shows the error codes. If not, it could be the power board or the internal issue that may need repair. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.